beauties, welcome back to another episode of Lidhu's nail art designs. Today I will be doing a Pokemon inspired nail art design. Stay till the end if you want to know how I did this nail art. This nail art is full of creativity and joy straight to our nails. So let's get started. On my index finger I will be drawing the tail of Pikachu. If you are the fan of Pikachu, say it in the comment section. I have drawn the basic structure of the tail, same steps as shown in this video. I have chosen blue as the base coat for this nail design. For drawing the tail, you have to draw a zigzag line and then connect it using a liner brush. Patience is the key for clean nail art. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get all my latest notifications. Take your time and let it dry completely before moving on. This is my first attempt drawing the Pokemon nail art. On the middle finger, I will be drawing the face of our favorite Pikachu. Place some little amount of nail polish in a curved structure and let's draw the ear of our Pikachu. Before going into further details, you have to let the base dry. The ring finger, I will be drawing the Pokeball to catch our Pikachu. Place some red polish using the dotting tool. Now it's the time to outline our Pikachu. Be careful, you have to make sure that your base have been completely dried, otherwise it gets smudged. Very little amount of polish on the liner brush. We can draw this nail art using basic tools like dotting tool or toothpick and also liner brush. On the pinky finger I have drawn the bolt using liner brush. This design is perfect for holiday season in a funny way. I will be outlining the tail of our Pikachu. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail art tutorial and found it easy and relaxing to follow. If you have any doubt about this nail art or any other nail art, don't forget to ask in comments. And also say which nail art should I try next. I have finished this look by drawing the eyes and nose. This video I have really missed something. Find out it and say in the comments. On my thumb finger I will be drawing some cute little Pokeballs. From minimal to creative details, these designs are easy to recreate and look amazing on short nails too. Save this for your next nail day and follow Lidhu's nail art design for more easy cute nail art ideas. Let's see next week with a new nail design. Till then, tata bye bye.